Buenas, I'm Maxine and I'm the team leader of carnivores at Wellington Zoo, and I'm here in the stunning Caribbean region of Colombia with support of Wellington Zoo's Conservation Fund. I'm here to spend 3 weeks of time with our conservation partners, Proyecto Tití. Proyecto Tití is committed to saving cotton-top tamarins in the wild, and they do this in a variety of ways. There's research, restoration, community initiatives, and education. Currently I'm out in the forest in Santa Marta, and we're looking to habituate 2 new groups of cotton-top tamarins. These groups haven't been studied yet, and so they're a bit tricky to find. This is our second day. Unfortunately, in 2008, cotton-top tamarins became critically endangered. They're actually only found in this one small area of northeast Colombia, and the areas that they live in are shrinking. Habitat loss is a major problem for cotton-top tamarins. They're running out of space, so where they are breeding, they're getting pushed out into the grasslands. These areas are really dangerous because there's a lot of raptors around, as well as snakes. But the real problem is that people can then trap them, and they're becoming part of the pet trade. Proyecto Tití is working with the education program in schools, which is showing children that dogs make much better pets than tamarins. I actually saw firsthand when I was at El Sabel last week. El Sabel is an area that Proyecto Tití's they've been researching for the last 30 years, so a lot of those groups are really used to people. And some of them that we actually tracked down, they were in the middle of fields in 1 or 2 tiny trees. One group had 2 one-week-old babies, and they were pretty much open to any sort of predators. There's nowhere for them to expand at El Sabel, so I've come down south to San Juan, and we're now at one of the reforestation areas. We've got about 380 trees to go in today, and it's the start of a corridor that's going to link one reserve to the national park. This is going to let the tamarins have areas to expand and move out.